As we're walking down here, if you look out the window, you can see the Radisson Blu there, and that's where the train station is. So not far at all. Let's carry on down here. About 2 minutes later, we've just gone down that one straight bit there from the train station. So that's the only bit you don't need to go down that bit because it's right there. Right, let's go check in, Pete. Radisson Blu. Right, we'll go check in and I'll see you in a bit. This is a reception area. Right, we have paid £65 each a night. It's £130 for 1 night stay.
Wow.
Yep. Twin rooms. Twin beds. Nice room. View. Hold on. Oh, just put my bag down. We can see the airport. Oh no. Oh, that's where we're walking down tomorrow, Pete.
Oh yes.
There's the airport that way.
If I may add, hotel is on the same level as Hilton.
Yeah.
Because I stayed in Hilton before, so.
Yeah. No, it's nice, yeah. So like I said, £65 each a night, but we haven't seen the bathroom yet. That's one of the main things. Big flat screen on the wall.
Oh yeah. Same in Hilton, where I got in room. Hilton was about the same.
Have you got a key to put in for the lights, Pete, please?
Yeah. Come on.
Let's put the keys on. The light, and there's a safe.
Here we go. Safe, yep.
There's the bathroom, sink, floating toilet. Yeah, nice. Be taking some of them with us.
Oh yeah.
So we've got the... Oh, fuck. Sorry, safe. Whoops. Fridge. Yeah, we got a fridge. What we got in the fridge? Nothing. Big telly, we've got biscuits, tea, coffee, milk. Yeah, they look comfy beds, don't they?
Oh yeah.
Aircon. Yeah, that's it, in a nice big desk.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the Radisson Blu at Manchester Airport. Easy check-in, easy to get here. £130 for 1 night, you might get it cheaper. That's it. Right, India tomorrow.
Oh yeah.